Bullish Kishu and U cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. What is Kishu and U? It was designed according to Dogecoin. The task intends to make an improved memecoin that would establish the rhythm for the rise of more refined memecoins. Kishu and U is a local area situated project which depends on gifts. Kishu and U is a decentralized exchange stage represented by a local area of clients. It expects to bring cutting-edge items like NFTs, decentralized money, and interest reward standard. The Kishu biological system is comprised of 4 fundamental parts, which are Kishu token, the Kishu tokenies, and ERC20 image token. It cultivates inescapable utilization and advances the decentralization of the task through giving prizes that empower the utilization of decentralized Kishu wallets. Kishu trade. Kishu trade is the biological system's decentralized trade. The trade permits Kishu holders to exchange among themselves with practically no concentrated mark of shortcoming. It takes into consideration the trading of ERC20 tokens with adaptable usefulness. Uniswap, quite possibly of the biggest decentralized trade, drives the Kishu trade. Kishu Box. Kishu Case is the environment's commercial center. It permits clients to stake their Kishu resources for NFT rewards made by specialists from the Kishu People Group challenges. Specialists can take part locally challenges where the Kishu People Group votes on and add expressions to the Kishu container. The Kishu marking pool gives compensations to fruitful craftsmen. Kishu Paw Print. Kishu Paw Print is an application item that tracks Kishu token execution and measurements. The application depends on pointers, for example, prizes and rewards connected with KISHU, current symbolic valuations, absolute wallet balance, cost outlines, etc. to follow execution. Kishu Loot. Kishu Loot is a computerized stock store ownerless and oversaw by a straightforward non-benefit association. Kishu Loot utilizes its deals and benefits to foster Kishu and U framework, project extension programs, and the arrangement of further developed usefulness. The Kishu and U project offers clients complete straightforwardness, trust, and lifespan by incorporating items like NFT, promoting, trading, and more implied for standard coins like the Ether on a memecoin. The local money of the Kishu and U project is the Kishu, an ERC20 token based on the decentralized model of the Ethereum blockchain. Kishu and U's case to give trust, straightforwardness, and security has been assessed and affirmed by CertiK, a security review organization. CertiK supported Kishu and U brilliant agreements as dependable and straightforward. To diminish the quantity of tokens available for use and increment esteem, Kishu and U consumes tokens, in this way, decreasing the gamble of putting resources into the stage altogether. Kishu and U current cost. Kishu and U is right now worth $0. KISHU has moved 1.39% as of now with an exchanging volume of $295,253. Kishu and U is right now positioned 3025 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $0 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Kishu and U to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Kishu and U market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Kishu and U value forecast 2022. Kishu and U, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The KISHU cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. KISHU is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Kishu and U value forecast 2023. In 2023, Kishu and U KISHU cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of KISHU will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the KISHU's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, KISHU will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Kishu and U value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. KISHU might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. KISHU is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Kishu and U value expectation 2025. Assuming Kishu and Yu effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the KISHU coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KISHU will be green in 2025. The KISHU is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Kishu and Yu Value Forecast 2026. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the KISHU cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, KISHU has a greatest value worth of $0. Kishu and Yu Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that KISHU figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help KISHU needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Kishu and Yu Value Forecast 2028. While KISHU is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Kishu and Yu Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Kishu and Yu will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Kishu and Yu Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest KISHU cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And, as a memecoin, Kishu and Yu is not entirely set in stone to change the situation, with memecoins from wannabe tokens to good and creative digital currencies propelling the overall quest for worldwide blockchain reception and monetary change like some other coin. Its coordination of NFT, DeFi, and all the more previously separate Kishu, taking into account its administration's recommendation. Kishu and Yu vows to be a productive speculation for long-haul financial backers. What is the Kishu and Yu cost today? Today, Kishu and Yu is exchanging at $0, an all-out market capitalization of $0. Is Kishu and Yu a wise speculation? Kishu and Yu ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that KISHU is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Kishu and Yu at any point go? The typical cost of Kishu and Yu might conceivably reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Kishu and Yu might outperform $0.